Hello everyone. This video will provide you the knowledge of MSW logo software. So let's start. Before that, I would like to request you to please like and subscribe my channel. So as we all know, 4 major commands that we have that we are mostly used in MSW logo software, that is FD, forward 100, move in forward direction by the 100 points this way, and you can rotate this by the angle of rotation in the right side or left side. And here I type the RT, right side 90 degree, and it will rotate in right side. The turtle will rotate in right side and move forward by the 100 point, FD 100. Okay, and the same way you can use backward and you can use left side. Now some more command, like 2 more command, pan up and pan down. For pan up you can use PE, it has not any value, just write down pan PU. It means the turtle will be up and it will not draw and it will move. Turtle ऊपर हो जाएगा, ड्रॉ नहीं करेगा लेकिन आगे बढ़ेगा. So here I just type PU and press enter. Okay, now I will say to this turtle, move forward by the 100 points, FD 100. You can see it will not draw but it will move forward. To make it again in the drawing mode, I will use one more command, that is pan down. In short, we can say PD, pan down. Okay, there is no value, only type PD, pan down, stand for pan down. And again I'll say FD 100. Now you can see it will draw. तो अब पैन डाउन कमांड से वापस अपन टर्टल को नीचे कर सकते हैं और ड्राइंग मोड में लेके आ सकते हैं. और फिर बाद में अपने FD 100 डाला तो आप देख सकते हैं ये वापस ड्राइंग करना स्टार्ट हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट कमांड, दैट इज हाइड टर्टल एंड शो टर्टल. हाइड टर्टल and show turtle. To hide the turtle, like if I want to hide this turtle, just write down HT, hide turtle. To show it again, ST, show turtle. Okay, next one, pan erase and pan paint. To change this turtle in eraser, like here I am going to draw line FD 200. Okay, now I would like to erase the line that I draw. मैं इसमें से आधी लाइन या पूरी लाइन इसको डिलीट करना चाहता हूँ, इरेज करना चाहता हूँ. तो I'll change this turtle in eraser. So I'll put a command, that is PE, pan erase. That is PE, pan erase, and I'll press enter, and then I'll struck the turtle to move backward side, BK 200. Now you can see it is erased. It is erased. Okay, and again you change this turtle in the painting or drawing mode. So you just write down PPT, pan paint, P for pan and PT for paint. Okay, pan paint, and press enter. Now you can again write down FD 100. You can see it will draw again. तो pan erase और pan paint दो ऐसी कमांड है जो टर्टल को इरेजर बना के वापस ड्राइंग मोड में लेके आती है. Okay, next command, repeat command. that is the most widely used command in MSW logo software to remove the repetitions of command. Okay, जैसे आप स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए या कोई डायग्राम बनाने के लिए आप बार बार FD, RT, LT, BK ये कमांड डालते थे, तो to remove this repetitions we can use repeat command. Suppose I want to make a square, है ना, स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए क्या करूँगा, I'll write repeat and 4 time, start bracket and FD, sorry, we'll erase this first, all the things for erasing the material that is you have almost drew. आपने जो भी ड्रॉ किया उसको हटाने के लिए you type CS, that is another command to erase the drawing on the drawing area in MSW logo software. CS, clear screen. Okay, you can use one more command, that is clean. Okay, clean you can also use. Okay, so now I'll draw a square by the repeat command, REPEAT, 4 time, start bracket, FD, ET, RT, 90 degree. Then I'll close the bracket and I'll press enter. So you can see in this command I repeat FD80 command and RT90 command 4 times, then it will draw a square. इस repeat command के द्वारा मैंने FD और RT command को 4 बार repeat करा, तब जाके ये square बना. और अगर मैं इसको मैनुअली बनाता, if I draw it manually, then I put these command 4 times. Each command I put 4 times, FD and RT, then 8 times I will be exercise to draw this diagram. But by the repeat command you can draw it in a single time. Now some more diagram to draw. Now some more diagram to draw some standard shapes like triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon and circles. So for triangle you can type repeat 3 times, FD 80, RT 120 and close it and press enter. You can see diagram. Triangle, now I erase this. For erasing I use clear screen. Now pentagon, repeat 5 times, FD 80, RT 72, close the bracket and press enter. This is the pentagon. For hexagon you erase this first, repeat 6 times, FD 80, RT 60 and close the bracket, and this way you can draw the hexagon. And you can also draw the octagon by putting 8, repeat 8, FD 80 and RT 45. Now the final diagram, that is circle. To draw the circle, first I erase this, repeat 360 times and FD 2, RT 2 and close it and press enter. So you can see we can draw a circle by the repeat command. You rotate this turtle 360 times, and each time it will be move forward 2 points, and it will be rotate yourself by the 2 degrees. Then it will draw a circle. Okay, and you can also use the repeat command inside the repeat command. आप repeat command के अंदर भी repeat command use कर सकते हैं. For this, I'll show you example. Like first I erase this one. It's too large, so just watch it carefully. Repeat. Six time. FD 100. Again you repeat 60 times. FD 20, BK 20, RT 6, close it, RT 60, close it. Now you press enter. So this way you can use a repeat command inside a repeat command. Here I draw the 6 circle along with the hexagon, by the repeat command under the repeat command. Okay, तो इस तरह अपन लोगो सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज कर सकते हैं इन कमांड के साथ में. और भी इसमें कमांड है, वो अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू so much.